Hi everybody, Can of Beard here. How the heck are you doing? Welcome back to Small Backyard Homestead. And today we're going to talk about hard bottoms in laying boxes or nesting boxes. As I have a wooden bottom to my nesting boxes, I've tried putting some, hay and chips in there and all sorts of bedding and stuff, but they just kick it all out and it becomes a wooden bottom again. And then you get cracked eggs. And I don't like cracked eggs. Anyway, today we're going to talk about these things right here. These little pads, these little foam pads. You've seen them on eBay or on Amazon, pardon me, or maybe on eBay too, who knows. But you've definitely seen these things around is my point. I've seen them everywhere and I always thought they look kind of crappy, to be honest. They look kind of stupid. But I'm going to give them a try. Let's see how they work. I'm sick of those cracking eggs and I'm going to see if they'll deal with this. They keep kicking all the nesting material out. It's like part of their nature to kick out the stuff here. There's very little in here. You can see it's just board, eh? They just kick it all out of there. And I put this in here yesterday, and so far we got an egg without a crack. That's really good news. I just put a little tiny bit of hay on top of this, or cracked straw or whatever, to see if they'd be okay with it, if they would accept it, and it seems to be okay. So I'm going to put the other two pads in, even though they kind of only use the one nesting box here with the wooden egg. But if I put them in all of them, then they got the choices. It's a bit snug, but not bad. It does fit pretty much perfectly. Make it hard for them to get it out of there. What you eating? Oh, a leaf. Okay, here we are, a day or two later, and they almost only lay in this nest right here in the corner. See what I mean? They just sort of cram in there regardless if there's somebody in there or not. Yeah, they just jam their little chicken butts in there and cuddle up, I guess. It seems to be working. Look, no cracks and no cracks. Beautiful, beautiful. We got a dummy egg here. I bet you I'm gonna try an experiment. I'm gonna put it in that one and see if they lay in that one or if they still just love this one. But these nesting pads fit in there pretty snugly. Apparently I read the dimensions of the standard chicken nesting box online, and so did these guys, because we did the same measurements apparently. Yeah, so far they're working. I want to test this out here, and we'll see here in a second. But yeah, right on. I'm gonna grab these eggs and take them on inside. Well, they seem to be following the fake egg. Nothing here, nothing here. We got a bunch over here today. The white one's a fake one, but everybody's laying. That's super good news. That means that the two new ones are both laying. This one wasn't laying last fall. This one laid us for about 2 weeks and then stopped when it got cold. She's laying right now. Our Easter egg, or one with green eggs, is the only one that hasn't been laying lately. But yeah, it's funny. They follow that one egg. They'll take turns on who's laying and wait their turn to lay in the same patch. I should get some more wooden eggs. I actually got another one somewhere. I bought a 2-pack when I first bought them, but I actually don't know where the other one went. Anyway, I'll continue moving them around and watching them lay in the box with the egg like that. It's pretty weird. Anyway, okay. Well, it seems they work pretty darn good. So I'm going to continue using them, as I've not had a single cracked egg in a couple of weeks now. It's been doing good. So right on. Yeah, I highly recommend them. I'll leave a link to some real cheap ones below like that. Yeah, have a good one. Subscribe, like the video if you do. So like it, all that kind of jazz. See you soon.